Wait, Dylan, what do you mean by that?
This thing.
Dylan, don't touch that. No, wait,
Do you seriously think that there's any...
listen to me. Put that down.
I'm here to tell you that.
What is this? What's going on?
What's happening?
Put that down. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
I don't know. Jack.
My kid.
Пустота.